Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put p equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only sine y in here. First derivative of sine y, we have cosine y. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. Now the next one, we have dy, so we need to do first derivative of q with respect to x. So we do first derivative of x to the power of 4. So we have 4x to the power of 3 cosine y. We see that this one is equals to this one. So we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one plus 3xy. Next, the integration of x, we have x squared over 2. The integration of 4x to the power of 3, we have x to the power of 4 sine y plus 3xy. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have sine y, we have cosine y plus d over dy 3xy. So we know that this one is equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one we have c. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one we have 3xy. 3xy equal to c. So this one we have c. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equal to c. And now we simplify for the both sides. And this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.